Column Grids command allows you to create column grids using the property lines you just created. First, select which property line to add column grids to. Then specify which axis to use. Start inserting column grids by picking a single point on the property line. The column grid is drawing based on the grid name, in this case A, and the geometric boundary of the property line, and finally the offset dimension value stored in the property line. You can keep picking points on the property line to draw more grids. If you want to specify the distance between two consecutive grids, type in this distance as shown. Now you can change to axis Y to add column grids to. You can select a new name for the grid or type in a name of your choosing. It is not allowed to have more than one grid with the same name. You can change the size of the grid bubble using the Update button. You can also change the size of the grid bubble labels. There is another way to draw the column grid by using 2 points. This time the grid is drawn exactly by these 2 points. You can rename an existing column grid. Now you can generate a 3D stick frame based on this property line, levels, and column grids. Levels are to be discussed later. You can specify a foundation extension as well as an extension above the level elevation for stick frame columns. You can also draw elevation nodes on the stick frame to be used later in modeling piping components or other entities. There is another tab where you can draw manual stick frame elements. First, let us draw some column grids for the other property line. The Manual Stick Frame tab allows you to manually add stick frame columns, beams, and braces. Using the stick frame geometry, you can do many things including modeling steel members. The Brace tab allows you to draw several types of bracing using existing stick frame columns and beams. Thank you for watching.